Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. The first trade of the week is the gold trade on the 29th, and it is a short trade, right? So this is the entry by the rule. Sell order is right there, and the yellow mark here showing sell and SL move to break even plus. Initial SL is always above this high, above the entry. But then when the price moves in my favor, I move the SL a little bit, 4 or 5 pips plus. So this is how 740 pip on the gold. Now, let me show you the gold chart. Basically, I made this chart on the 14th, April 14th, saying that this is what's going to happen. So we were here, and I said that first we're going to drop to wave 2 here, right? And then we'll go up in 3, 4, 5, and all that. This is the wave 5 that we are going. So this was a part of this drop. All right. So, and then later on you will see another one, and then we will go to the upside. All right. So just keep that in mind, this chart. And now, so this is the first trade. The second trade is Euro Aussie going to the upside, 50 pip. All the trades are taken by the CTS7, and you can see the entry buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus. All the trades are according to the setup, with the setup, taken by the setup, right? And then automated, excuse me, yeah. So this is also a buy setup here, 55 pip pound Aussie. Here, USD yen going to the upside. Remember last week I said that it is going for 60-40, and once we are there, then probably we're gonna drop, and most likely the intervention will happen, right? I made the video about it. The yen is gonna get the intervention from Japan, the Bank of Japan, and then all yen pair gonna drop. So we're gonna talk about it at the end of the video. So this is going to the upside towards that target. You see right here, you can see the price when I closed 60.32. So it went up 60.40 and boom, it went down. Okay, let me show you later. So this is another one from the 20-minute chart, and you can see that how we touched that. That was from 7-minute chart. I closed. Let me see. See that 7-minute chart entry from here? I closed that one, but I had this one still open, and after touching the 60-40, right there, I close it for 60 pip from this chart as well. And this is where I was expecting a drop, and that's exactly what happened. And see gold going to the upside, right? And this is after it drop for wave 2, and this is on the 30th, right? So let me show you that how it dropped, and let me have this chart here. Okay, so this was coming down, right? So on the 26th April, it was coming down, and then the first gold trade, I took it from there. And then this is going to the upside, the one I just showed you here. Let me see this one. So this is the bounce from exactly where I said that it's going to be coming down here. See that? It came down. This is a live chart, right? So it came down exactly where I said there's going to be coming for wave 2 and then bounce, and it did, kind of, right? So we have nice little 2 or 3 little candles going to the upside. So now the up move already started, right? So be ready. It's going to be a big one to the upside. Anyway, so that's gold going to the upside here for 840 pip. And this one here, USD yen 20-minute now after the intervention. You see this 60-40? Touch that, and then what happened? Came down, and then coming down all the way. It gave me the entry right there. SL moved to break even plus here entry, and then it was so quick that I wasn't available to close here, but it started to go up, and then I closed it for 165 pip. Now this one is USD yen. Watch, this is Euro yen doing the same thing, 165 pip. This is the pound yen giving me the entry after the intervention. And this, I was, late closing it, so it went up again, and still 130 pip. And this one is Aussie yen, boom, came down 170 pip. The only thing that I didn't give me the entry is CAD yen. Okay, so all yen pair gave me the nice entries, and you can see the amount of pippage, right? And now this one is pound USD long from the 20-minute here, nice and clean, 80 pip. And this is Euro Aussie. The last day it was still coming down. I was expecting that it should go up. It should be going to the upside, but it came down, and the entry was taken by the EA, not me. I didn't like it, but I let it go. And 90 pip came out, but now it is setting up very nicely to go to the upside. Watch the number. Let me show you the chart. This is pound Aussie, yeah, Euro Aussie. To this area here, this line here is 60.48. I have a very strong feeling, 99%, we're going to bounce from here nice and clean. All right, so well, I'll make the charts later on and then show put it on my Telegram for my subscribers. This is I just showed you. Whoops. Okay, no problem. I'll fix it later on. Oh man, come on. So okay, so 78% is right there, and this is how the Euro Aussie is. So I think this is the last trade. Yeah. So these are the trades. Now gold chart I showed you already that this is what's happening. Right. By the way, for last 2 days, you can see it's like maybe 11, 12 or something like that. I used to have like more than 20. So basically, I'm working on a big real estate, project. And as soon as it is finished and it is, automated up and running, then I will come back to my trading. Yeah, so maybe one more week, right? And then I have to, get up and running to my son as well in this project. And after that, hopefully, I'll come back with full force again to my trading. All right, so this is the gold chart. Pay attention to this one. And I think that we already started the wave two to the upside. And the shorter time frame look like this. And yeah, you can see it. Well, I'll make a separate video about the gold in detail, but this is my bread and butter. This is the good chart. This is the best chart that I have, and I'm following it. And this is a lead wave count, right? So I'll make separate gold video as well and all of that. So just wanted to share that, how I was expected that I was expecting this yen intervention, right? And that's exactly what happened. I heard in the news that they invested a $34.5 billion intervention. They did. So yeah, so yen getting strong now, and let's see if it's gonna continue in that direction, or again it will start to go up. Time will tell. But as we go along, I will notify and make a video about it. All right. So this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to learn how to do this Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all of that, right? By the way, just like pound Aussie, for example, let me show you. I'll give you a nice setup as well. See, this one is also what it is that at the end of the down move, it is making a beautiful, bullish Gertle pattern. That's the harmonic pattern, Gertle, right? The calculation and everything is perfect. So after that, this move is ended here, and now we have a perfect calculated by the book Gertle pattern in place. The first touch is 61%. Second, we went up to 23% line, and third, you can see is exactly touching just above 78%. All right, so maybe a little more to the downside, touching the 78%, and after that, it will go up. Let me see if it is exactly touching it or what. All right, so you see that little shy of 78%. So 78% touch, that would be a perfect by the book Gertle pattern, that's harmonic pattern. And at the end of the down move, bullish Gertle is 90% good to go. So I'm expecting that Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie both going to bounce from here. All right. So yeah, so this is it. And like I said, that on my website, it's not available, but for you guys and my mailing list and my Telegram people, my one-on-one is still 50% off. If you want to get in and learn, one-on-one, like with me, 10-hour intensive course where you become master of this whole business, including the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend lines, every single thing, and how to use my system as well. And you get my system, to trade all the EAs and everything. All right, so get advantage of that and learn. Without learning, this business is very dangerous. But if you learn, it becomes piece of cake, walk in a park, and become very easy. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.